what is up, homies? Welcome back to the channel. As promised, today is Tuesday, December 10th, and today is Tool Giveaway Tuesday. Alright, homies? So today I'm gonna be giving away, well, today you guys are gonna be able to enter this giveaway where I'm giving away this set of flip sockets from MotivXTools. This set right here has all the sockets you're gonna need to work on cars 17, 19, 21, 22, and then you got your standard, you got your metrics, you got your little extension here. This is a good socket set if you're gonna be removing wheels. You gotta have this, okay? So today I'm gonna be giving this away, but I also want to go over a couple other things. I got some boxes in the mail. I still got companies that are sending me things. This one right here is from boom, MotivXTools. They're the ones that allowed me to give these tools away to you guys. So if you want to win these tools, stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm gonna tell you what you need to do to enter the giveaway. But I also got another company that's sending me tools. This right here was sent to me by a company called MotivXTools right there. You can see that on the wrench. So this is an adjusting wrench. Now this is pretty cool. It has a little switch here which you can turn on and off. Now what this does is, not only is it an adjusting wrench, but by hitting that little switch, it turns it, look, right there it's locked. If you hit the switch to the right, it turns it into an adjusting wrench. Now let me show you. Let me show you on this steering wheel puller that I modified. So we're gonna set it. Okay, we're gonna set it to that. Now look, it's locked. It just turns it. But if I set it to the ratcheting, I can get it off of here. Can you see this? Look. Mira. It's a ratcheting adjusting wrench. This is pretty damn cool. Boom, homies. This is cool. This is a pretty cool tool, and a good place where I think you'll be able to use this tool is when you're doing alignments. You put this on the tie rod and you can turn the tie rod to adjust your toe without taking this tool out off the tie rod. So this is pretty cool. Also tools. I'll put a link to their website if you want to go check this out. I think this is one of their best selling items, and if you're doing alignments, I will get this right here. And they did give me a discount code. Let me find it. They gave me a discount code for you guys. So on this stuff, also tools right here, discount code Hector, Hektor. Boom, I'll put it right here. Discount code Hector at checkout, and it gives me, or it gives you guys 10% off your order. So use that. Go buy yourself this ratchet. They gave me some other stuff too. I got right here, they hooked me up with this wrench holder right here. Can you see this? They hooked it up with this wrench holder. This is the magnetic wrench holder, so you pretty much take your wrenches. If you guys don't know what a wrench holder does, it holds your wrenches like that, okay? This is pretty cool. You put it in your drawer, it stays in place, it holds your wrenches. The only thing that I found with this is that if you have wrenches like this, with that little raised area right here, once you get to about a 9/16 or what size was it? I don't remember what size it was. I think it was a 5/8 wrench. Once you get there, then the wrench is not gonna fit in there properly because this raised area does not fit in there. But if you have some flat wrenches like this, then this right here, you gotta have it. Keep your tools organized. They keep it in place. They're magnetic. Those tools aren't going anywhere. I'll put links in the description if you guys want to go check out MotivXTools. If you guys want to go check out MotivXTools, this right here, highly recommend it. Go get yourself that. Now let's open up this box that they sent me and see what's up in here. MotivX sticker. Go check out MotivXTools, MotivXTools.com. Got a little hat. Ooh, look at this. Boom, that looks nice, doesn't it? Look at this. I like it. That is a sick logo. It's one of these trucker hats. BB? What's BB? Does anybody know what BB is? Oh, dude, I got it dirty already. BB, that with the BB on the side. Boom, right there, hooked it up. Thank you, MotivX, for that. Apparel, homies. Apparel's getting sent out to me. Boom, MotivXTools right there. Orale. I'm gonna be rocking this. It feels light. You know, I'm not into that like heavy cotton feel, but this is 90 cotton, 10 polyester. This is good. Stretchy, lightweight. I'm gonna be rocking that along with this. A ver, vamos a ver. Take off my LA hat. Look at the hair. You guys like the hair? I like to give it this little band because it goes with my face. Ooh, they know my size too. Boom, right there, MotivXTools, homie. I like it. All right, guys, so got some apparel, got some MotivXTools. Now for the giveaway, you guys want to be entered in this giveaway. You know what, last time I waited till Friday for the giveaway. This time I'm gonna do it Thursday because I had like 300 entries, and I think it'll be fair for the people that are able to comment first to give them a better chance to win this. Okay, so Thursday I'm gonna be doing the giveaway. What you gotta do to enter the giveaway is give this video a like and drop a comment in the comment section down below, and then all you gotta put is hashtag hook it up homie. I'll put the hashtag right here. Boom, hook it up homie, and then you'll be entered to this giveaway. Now don't forget to include the hashtag, because if you do, you will not be entered. Okay, hashtag hook it up homie, and I will hook you up with the set of MotivX sockets. Boom, right there. Alright, so you want to win some flip sockets? Mira, ¿quieres esta chingadera? Boom, hook it up homie, and I will hook you up. Alright, so that's it homies. Just wanted to make this quick video, show you what people are sending me, show you the tools. You know, I've been getting tool organizers, which you guys are also gonna need if you're working on cars. Keep your shit organized. And I think that's it. That's it for the video. Just a quick video for the giveaway. We'll be back on Thursday with another video, and we're gonna be choosing the winner in that video, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video, drop your comment, hashtag hook it up homie. Don't forget to subscribe. Boom, hit that little bell. Boom, and this way you'll be notified every time I drop new videos like this one. Okay, so that's it homies. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Bye.